video, I am going to be unboxing the February Little Magic Ave VBKit. Now, this was a special collaboration with Little Magic Prints, and I love when VillabeauTIFFul does the collabs because it's such a great way to just see how the two designers mesh together and sometimes even find out about new shops to try. So let's get it started. So let's start off with a look at the kit card. First off, how pretty is this artwork on the front, and then you flip it over and you've got your inventory for everything inside. This kit also featured a really fun keychain. I love that glitter detail on the key. It's so pretty. And then you got the bolt and the moon with the stars inside. It's like really huge lobster clasp to attach it to just about anything or everything. And then on the back here, you've got the different logos, VillabeauTIFFul, VB, and then the heart logo on the back. And then I think you could also probably, if you don't, want to use this as a keychain, you could remove these charms and use those as just little planner charms or dangles or things like that if you want to find a way to reuse this and use it in a different format anyways and still have these really pretty charms featured somewhere in your planners or handbags or on your pouches or totes. I am so excited about this item. It is so pretty. These are the vellum sticky notes. The foiling is just beautiful. And then let's take a look at the transparency level here. As you can see, this vellum is very transparent, so perfect for layering if you want to add notes to it or just use it as a decorative item. The cute things just keep coming with this kit. So we've got the charm paper clips here with the teardrop clips, a butterfly, and a circle charm that says "You are lovely." Now obviously these can be great for hanging on the sides or the bottoms of your planners or dividers or even on your dashboards if you want to hold a transparent card or some sticky notes or something there. But what I was thinking was that these would also be really cute just because of the types of charms they are, to do some fun switcheroos with these other charms that we had on the keychain. So that could be a fun possibility to play around with. Next up, we've got a 3-pack of Adhesive Pockets. So the first one is a small one that has the foiled butterfly and with blue background. And then we've got a medium size with a pink background, stop sign, and the butterflies. And then our last one is the large size, which is kind of like a lilac lavender color on the back, and the rose gold foiled clouds. And these are super simple to use. You just peel it back from here. This has got the tacky section on the back, and then you can put it onto your dividers or your dashboards and have a really cute place to stick in sticker sheets or notes or list pads, anything like that. Next up, we've got this pretty palette of page flags. Let's take a close-up look at those colors. So pretty. And I almost always forget to show this on the videos, but the backing of these cards typically has a little clear film here that you can peel off. And then let's take a look at the transparency of the darkest color on the palette compared to the logo on the top of the card. And I've been loving seeing the task cards people are making with these kind of page flags. Such a cute project. Next up, we have our pack of transparent cards and stickers, so let's zoom in and flip through. And starting off with the sticker sheets, we've got the bars, 2 sheets of the shape stickers, and also how pretty is this color palette? It's just so fun and vibrant. Then we've got the icons, corners, the open shapes, and the last one is the word sticker sheet. And I mean, again, just so fun. This font, like the boldness, the bubble letters with the script is kind of like bubbly. I love it. And now we'll move on to showing the cards. So for this one, we've got "You Are Magical" on a pink background. "Growing Takes Time." And then we've got this one with the moon and the butterflies behind her. So pretty. And then the last one is this gorgeous moon phase and floral one. I love the foiling on here. It's just so pretty. And let's take a look at the kit washi. Gonna get these opened up and rolled out. All right, so first up, we've got the standard size roll, and this has got the really pretty pastel like cloud background with rose gold foiled hearts and stars, lightning, and moons. Super cute. And then for the skinny size, we've got a pink grid background with rose gold foiled butterflies. Next up, let's flip through these stickers. We'll start off with the mini sheet. You've got the kit pin sneak at the top and then some fun deco down at the bottom. And then for the kit sticker book, you've got the kit date and collaboration artist here and the title over here. And then on the back, you've got the overview of all of the different sheets. So let's flip through it. Here we've got the full boxes. These beautiful spring colors. And then we've got the circle icons, pay bills stickers, some labels, and then a sheet of more full boxes and quarter boxes and clipboards. And then this full sheet of half boxes, which honestly, this is one of my favorite sheets in all the sticker books because it stretches out the kit so much for me. I can use it in so many layouts. And then we've got the header sheet, some labels. I love that font foil, look at that, foil wiggles. And then we've got the full sheet of deco. These buildings down here are so pretty. And then you've got your flags, checklist, and banners. All those date covers are so cute. So you get 2 sets of date covers, some arrows, couple tabs, and a couple of quote boxes down at the bottom. And then for the last page, we've got the double boxes and then the decorative hexagons over here on the side. And that is the kit sticker book. I mean, this is like the 3rd kit in a row where we've gotten a super cute pouch in addition to the rest of the kit. I just love this. So many storage options to go with every single kit. So we've got a rose gold folio pouch with rose gold hardware as well. VillabeauTIFFul logo down here on the bottom front. Zips open really nicely. And looks like we've got 2 pockets on each side. I've already been seeing some photos on Instagram, people stuffing theirs up, filling them up, putting, all of their books and our sticker books and kits and notepads and things in here. Again, I just love the storage options for this to keep all of your planner pretties together, whether it's just for the week, if you want to keep all of your weekly supplies together, or if you're traveling or take your things with you to work or wherever you're going. It's just a great way to keep everything organized. Okay, I couldn't help myself. Had to give it a little test run and try packing it up with all the kit items I've shown so far. And I love that these sticker books fit in there just full, so you could have like one over here and one over here. So if you want to do a couple of planning sessions and keep all of your supplies together in one spot for easy access, love that. And this absolute stunner. So this is the Little Magic Ave kit pin. We've got the black matte barrel, rose gold hardware, white logo, and then a mix of, looks like clear and kind of a blush pink crystal mix and black moon sequins inside. Just so gorgeous. Like you would have expected a pastel pin with this kit, but then she just comes out and knocks it totally out of the park with this beautiful black pin to bring out the black accents and details from the kit. I love that. And then she had the Pastel Dreams VB pin release, so even more beautiful VB pins to work with. And finally, we're going to flip through the paper pack for the Little Magic Ave VBKit. So as always, if you pre-order a basic kit plus the paper pack option, then you get this pack of 6 sheets. You get 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch double-sided decorative cardstock. And then you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper, and these are the 4 cardstocks. All these really pretty patterns to work with. And then the 2 specialty sheets, we get 2 vellums. Here's the first. And here is the second. Here's a look at all of the digitals for this month. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. Pre-orders go live every month on the 20th. You can find all of the VB links in the description below for more information. The Planner Inspiration blog in the VB shop has over 100 tutorials, product close-ups, projects, setups, and more from the VB design team, all showing different ways and ideas for how to use the VB kits. You can even use a search bar in the shop to filter the blogs for specific projects, keywords, and even planner sizes. Did you know that VillabeauTIFFul also has VB freebies for each VB kit? You can find free phone wallpapers to download that coordinate with this month's VB kit right now on the shop blog. And don't forget to follow the VB team over on Spotify, where you can find playlists to set the mood for all of the monthly VB kits. If you've already followed and given a playlist a listen, I'd really love to know what you thought about it. And that does it for this month's VB Kit. I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and drop any of your questions and comments down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.